So this is the last topic, the last subtopic for the topic leadership. It's on behavioral concepts of leaderships. So past research, in order to determine the styles of a leaders, they would normally use, they look into the personal and also the physical traits of a person. But it has shifted from personal and physical traits into examination of leadership behavior in order for them to determine the effectiveness style of a leadership. So for example, there's the Black and Mouton's leadership grid. If you can look at the grid, it shows that there's scale for production or performance or results, and also for the concern for people. So they have divided the leadership style into a few categories. If you look at the lowest grade, which is the impoverished management, so these are the types of leaders who have very low concern for people and very low concern for productions. So they don't take their responsibilities seriously, and they just let the people under them to work. They do not give direction, they do not give instructions. So people who work under this type of leadership, normally they are very confused and they do not know what they have to do exactly. And then there's another style of leadership, which is the country club management. It's accommodating, whereby this type of leader, they are very concerned about people, but then they have very less concern about the production or performance. So people normally would really love to work under this type of leadership because it is said to be very friendly working environment. But on the other hand, in terms of the performance, it's very low because the leaders are only very concerned more on the staff. The best type of leadership is the team management, whereby they have very high concern for production, but at the same time, they are also very concerned about the welfare of their staff. Other types of leadership is called middle of the road management, which is a status quo, and another one is authority obedience management, whereby they only want to have performance, but they care less about the people under them. So leadership is actually something that we can develop, we can be polished. So there are many techniques that are currently being used to develop leadership. So some of them I have listed here. It's 360-degree feedback. There's networking, executive coaching, mentoring, job assignments, and action learning. So that is all for this topic. Thank you for listening.